Mama Miracle Rentals. Mama Miracle Rentals. Now we they know as Mama No Wahala. Hey, we go supply you for that party where you want do canopy, chairs, table, drum for party where you want do. I been a birthday party, marriage ceremony, I been a burial ceremony, housewarming party, any kind of party where you want do. When you for need canopies, chairs, table, drums, make you contact us today. We go supply her for you without no stress. Now make they call us Mama No Wahala. Hey, Mama Miracle Rental. We be your bata for rentage matter. Make you contact us today, or make you visit our office for shop SRM or just a complex number 550 Upper Local Road by Akmata Junction, Ego, Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria. You can still reach us for our telephone number 090-2604-5883 or 080-6651-3063 or our international number plus 3375836196. Mama Miracle Rentals. Mama Miracle Rentals. We now got bata for rentage matter.